Hello and welcome on my channel. Today, not intended, but part 4 in the uncoupler servo DCC uncoupler video, and that's a little bit. I want to show you my program. So, the sketch I made on the Arduino. That's it. So let's go and take a little look. So here is the program for the DCC, well, not DCC, but servo uncoupler, and this is the program I'm running on the little Arduino clone inside the locomotive. So what I basically did, oh wait a moment, I've included the servo library called the servo, my servo, that's something, and then I set the front input for the front uncoupling system, uncoupling to pin number 2 and the rear to number 3. Also, and that's what I did. I put the servo on output number 9. Now there are more outputs, and you can use any digital output you can use. I've tried it, but number 9 was the default in the example sketch, which I remade here. So also I told about the internal pull-up resistor inside the Arduino Atmega chip, and you tell that in the pin mode. Pin mode is well, you make the pin an input or an output, and the front one is an input with a little one, and it's called got pull-up written behind, and that enables the pull-up resistor inside the chip. Also for the rear I did that. So that's basically there. This is the first rule. If a pin, the front, is high, and that's pin number 2, becomes low, the servo is written to about 10, a value of 10. You can put in anything between 0 and 180, because that's the maximum of the servo range. And so I put 10 here. If you need more, you can put 0. Or if you need less, you can put any number in there. That's not a problem. There's an if loop here. If, for instance, it's not the front pin that is low, but the rear pin is low, then the code sets my servo right 170. So 170 degrees the servo will go. Also, you can see I put a little delay in there. The delay is there to keep the servo for 1.5 seconds in this position, so that you can press the button and drive off away from the train. I also did it here for the rear, and if none of the pins are low and they are all high, then the servo goes to the center position, and it has a little delay of 15, and then it starts over again. So that's basically the program that I've written, I adapted. So yeah, that's basically it. I'm not an expert in programming, so it took me a little bit of time to make it work. I forgot some point marks here, like this one I forgot, and then it didn't do it, and I put one here. Oh, I put one here, but that's not what you want, because this and this one else, it all belongs to the same thing. So you can tell I'm not a really good expert in programming, but I got this to work and I was pretty pleased. It took me about 2 days. So you can see how good a programmer I am. And most of the times I take some of the examples and change them into what I want, and that it works or doesn't work, and then I read in the bottom I read everything, read about it all, what I have to do and try to change. I have a book on Arduino, so I can manage, and I'm getting, I think I'm getting better, but I'm not doing it enough yet. So this is the sketch, as they call it, and this is what I use. Nothing fancy, it's just real simple, and that's what I wanted for this device. It has to be simple. So you can see with a very simple, and maybe you can do it simpler, I don't know. I cannot be bothered trying to find it out. I think this is pretty simple. So yeah, well, that's it. If you like the videos, please give them a thumbs up. If you want to see more and don't want to miss out, then hit the subscribe button. Or if you just like my videos and want to see them now and then, every now and then, just subscribe as well. Yeah, thank you for watching, and hope to see you soon in another video. Goodbye.